up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have an unboxing from Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly. So listen, those of you who watch me all of the time and watch this particular unboxing all of the time, you may have seen me get a couple of bags where I got two of the same bag. Well, that was just because they didn't have bags for January, February of this year. So they must have just given me two bags because I pay for my subscription yearly and just considered that, okay, we fulfilled our part of the deal, right? I would prefer a different bag each time. I'm not going to harp on it too much, but honestly, they really shouldn't take a full year subscription, or maybe just take part of the subscription if they don't have a full year's worth of different bags. I'm just going to throw that out there. I do love the subscription. It's not going to change the fact that I'm going to keep it. And you guys were able to get a bag that, because I gave them away. You guys were able to get, you know, one of the extra bags that I got. But honestly, I would prefer that it was a different bag each month and not get two of the same bag just to fulfill the subscription. Okay, that's my 2 cents on that. But let's go ahead and dig into this very new bag, which is exciting. I did find that out just by looking at their website, and they kind of gave the rundown of what they had for this year. And they said that there wasn't a bag for January, February. And I'm like, well, that'll explain why I got two. There was no glitch. That was just their way of fulfilling their commitment to me to give me X amount of bags with my subscription that I paid for yearly. Okay, let's dig into this. So it says, thanks for your subscription. This month's fandom is Princess Leia. Okay, that's an interesting choice, don't you guys think? I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know a whole lot about Princess Leia. I know who she is. I know that she wears like the little buns on each side of her head. But other than that, I don't know a lot about her. So let's go ahead and dig in. Ooh, this is fun. Okay. So this print is probably by Megan E. Risk. I'm just going to take a stab at that because that's usually where they get all of their art prints from. So this is a 4x6 art print from Megan E. Risk. I do have a little project that I've been working on with all of these prints and some of the postcards that I got from the Heroes Tower. So I'm still working on that project, guys. It's nowhere near done because, again, my son's school hijacked everything that I was trying to get done. Let's make sure that yeah, it says 4x6 art print. It doesn't say that it's by Megan E. Risk, but I'm just guessing that's who it's from. Okay, let's see what else we have in here, guys. So we're going to start with a magnet. Ooh, look at this, guys. I am taking the magnet. I like to take it out of the plastic because I feel like you guys get a lot of glare if I don't take it out. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic here. Ooh, it's a nice magnet. Guys, they have really nice magnets in this subscription. I like them a lot. They're really good quality and they're really nice. So we got the magnet, and what's this? Let's ooh. The future of the galaxy is female. Okay, let me open this, you guys. Hold on. I'm assuming, yep, it's a compact. And I'm not going to show you the mirror part. That's done, but here you go. It's just a compact, which is really super cute. I love this idea, and I think it's a great thing to put in this little bag. I like that. That's what I love about them. They find such unique, fun stuff that I absolutely love. The galaxy is female. What is this one? Oh, is this a palette? Guys, is this a palette? Hold on. Here it is. I think it's a palette. Oh, that's going to be freaking awesome, too. All right, let's see. Palette or blush or something. It is, it doesn't say. I'm guessing it's definitely some eyeshadow though, because it's shimmery, and you know, a blush is not shimmery, so I would say that's definitely what that is, and I love it. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm down for that. That's cool. That was an unexpected thing to get in here. I'll say that. That is freaking awesome. Okay, I love this subscription, you guys. I really do. Even though they sent me two of the same bag, I still love it. All right, I'm still not going anywhere. Then we have this little bag of goodies that's going to have some jewelry in there. So let's go ahead and check out the pieces of jewelry. I mean, you get a great bang for your buck with this subscription, honestly. I feel like you can't go wrong. I really love it. This little pin is from the Rainbow Bright box that I got from them, as well as the earrings and these bracelets. So I do wear this stuff, guys, like in real life because I love crazy. So here's the pin. I don't know what it is of. I know it has something to do with her, but again, like I told you guys several times, I don't really know a whole lot about her. So there's the pin. Very cool. I'm sure anyone who knows everything about Princess Leia will be able to scream at me and tell me what that is. But this bracelet, oh wow, how cute. It says, I know I love you. Oh, I love it. Look at that. That is so cute, you guys. And then we have the little hearts that say that I know I love you thing on there. I don't think you guys are going to see that part, but there's two little hearts. One says I know I love you. How adorable. I love that. That is so cute. Okay, and then we got one more thing in here, guys, and that's going to wrap up this bag for this month. I think they nailed it, like they always do. And we have a bracelet that says Princess Rebel General Hope. I hope you guys are going to see this. I always struggle with showing you guys this because of the lighting here. I hope that you guys are seeing it and that you can see what it says because it's really awesome. If you guys can't see it, I'll try to remember to pop a picture in there so that you guys can actually see what it says. All right, guys, this subscription is awesome. I love this one. I do pay for it yearly, and I know I did a little rant at the very beginning of the video, but honestly, it's 100% worth it. I do recommend this subscription. Just be aware that sometimes they do fall behind. Sometimes they are a small business, so I totally understand that. Sometimes they can't fulfill their bags like they intend to, and you know, they try to make up for it wherever they can. So I am going to stick with them because I love them, and I love all of the things they have, but just understand that if you do decide to get the subscription, if you decide to pay yearly, they sometimes fall behind. Sometimes they give you two of the same bag because they don't have a bag for that particular month. So I'm just saying all of these things can happen to you. Just beware, but I highly still recommend it because I love it. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is the Amazon's DIY, and I can't stand my hair. Dude, all right, try again. I'm Amber, and in this video, I finally, and I do mean finally, have an unboxing from Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly. So when I showed a couple of the that went really well. Try it again.